Today I will be providing you with mind-blowing facts about our Philips Ledinaire floodlights. Let's talk about savings. It saves up to 60% more energy compared to conventional lighting. The lifetime. With 50,000 hours, you don't have to worry about light maintenance and replacements in a long time. Additionally, it provides an efficacy of up to 120 lumen per watt. The Philips Ledinaire floodlights are equipped with color temperatures of 3000, 4000 and 6500 Kelvin. They come in an extended wattage range, including 200 watt options with 6 versions. Our products are supplied with a strip cable, so you have one less thing to worry about. It has an integrated motion sensor unit to detect people nearby for improved user experience and, most of all, safety. The sensor comes with 3 settings buttons to customize range, sensitivity and duration. The range counts with the following benefits: housing of aluminum and glass, unobtrusive design and a compact design with a driver on PCB board. Its driver has a low early failure rate. It's supplied with a 360-degree bracket for greater application variety. This is all for today.